Hi, it's Nick at Printerbase, and today we're looking at Kyocera's new FS-C2026MFP colour laser multifunction printer. This video will also apply to the FS-C2126MFP. These brand new models incorporate high speed, high quality printing, copying and scanning from one sturdy unit. The FS-C2126MFP also includes built-in fax. The differences are very minor. The only difference that you'll see visually is the button layer on the top of the machine. If you have the fax version, not sure if you can see this, I'll try and bring it a little bit closer for you. We'll have an extra button which says fax, and it has an on-hook button there and a few differences in the wording of some of the other buttons. Now, both machines print at speeds of up to 26 pages a minute in both colour and mono. Now, interestingly, through the top ADF, the machine can scan at 35 sheets per minute. Print resolution is excellent at up to 600 by 600 dpi with multi-level technology. Definitely would recommend getting some print samples because I'm sure you'll be impressed. Double-sided printing is standard, and also the ADF is a reversing ADF which allows users to duplex copy, duplex scan, and if you go for the FS-C2126MFP you can also duplex fax. The machines come with 768 megabytes of RAM as standard, and both include PostScript and PCL language. I want to talk to you about the paper handling on the machine. So, paper input first of all. At the front here is a multi-purpose feeder which will handle up to 50 sheets of standard office paper. As well as that, you can put up to 220 gram paper here at the front if you wish to. The paper tray underneath will handle up to 250 sheets of standard office paper, and if you wish to you can put 163 gram paper into this tray. At the moment it's set for A4, but a simple change of the slidey guides here and rotating the wheel at the side will allow you to put different sizes of paper in. If you wish to add even more paper, you have an optional 500 sheet paper tray. You can add 2 of those, which will give you up to 1300 sheets of paper input. Because this is a multifunction machine, you also have the automatic document feeder, or the ADF unit at the top. This is the place where you put a sheet of paper into the scanner and press one of the buttons here or use the computer, and you can choose to fax if you go for the FS-C2126MFP. You can copy or you can scan. So the ADF at the top will hold up to 50 sheets, but if you've got an unusual size of paper that won't fit in, or it's stapled, or it's a book, you can just simply lift the lid and you can place the sheet that you wish to scan on the glass lid, and then you just simply close it again. Okay, I'm now going to just take you for a walk around the machine. First of all, you'll notice a USB connection here at the front. If you have a pen drive, plug the pen drive into the USB connection and you can print files from the pen drive, or you can scan from the multifunction straight onto the pen drive without using a computer. Underneath the pen drive you'll notice a panel. Behind the panel you can get access to the waste toner bottle very, very easily. Some machines are quite difficult to access. There's a lever here. If you just switch the lever, you can get access to all your toners. The toners pull out and push back in. Again, really well designed. If I spin the machine around for you, you'll see a panel here at the side. If you remove the panel, like so, you can get to the motherboard to add extra memory, and you don't need to use a screwdriver. And in the corner is another panel, and you get your power cable, you plug your power cable in, and the panel goes over the power cable. Makes it look really neat and tidy. And at the back you'll see a connection for USB and network. There's a big panel here at the back. If you open this, you can get access to the internals of the machine. So if you have any paper jams, you can get to them and remove them very, very easily. So the fuses there, the duplex unit which is responsible for the double-sided printing, I'm now going to show you how quickly this machine can print single-sided graphics. And there you have it, that's 5 sheets of paper. And now we're going to see how quickly it can do double-sided printing. And there you have 5 sheets of paper printed on both sides. We're now going to show you how quickly it can copy 5 single-sided sheets of coloured paper. And there we go. And finally, we're going to show you how quickly it can photocopy 5 double-sided colour sheets of paper. And there you have it, 5 sheets of coloured paper photocopied. If you have any further questions, please call us today on 0845 230 7234 or visit our website www.printerbase.co.uk. I'm Nick, and thanks for watching.